Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net, and it is Tuesday the 16th of July. Thanks again for watching. As always, the site to get free of charge by the adverts that you see around the screen. It's when you come back and use the site and use the adverts, that's what generates the revenue that then keeps us free of charge. So thanks for keep on visiting, and thanks for telling your friends about us as well. Now, I just wanted to kick off with something different today. Been looking at the La Nina event, which is currently taking place off the western coast of South America, and just looking how this could have an impact on our weather. Now, I've shown you this chart before. This is the comparison of the current El Nino that we're going through at the moment, which is the line that you can see here, and also previous El Ninos, and you can see the months here along the bottom. Now, the one that's closest to the one that we're going through just at the moment is this one from 1959 to 1960. So you can see how close that's been followed. Now, experience shows that you do get similar weather in various different El Nino years, and this is the temperature anomaly from 1959, from the 1st of July to the 13th of July in 1959. And you can see the mass of cold air here, colder than normal temperatures that were east of the country, warmer than normal temperatures out towards the west. Now then, just compare that with where we are this year. This is the same period again, 1st of July through to the 13th of July. And look, here's the cold air, but here's warmer air out towards the west. Everything's shifted a little bit towards the east, but nonetheless, look, we're still in that position. So we have this cold air to the east, warmer air to the west. Now, what's interesting is that back in 1959, we actually had one of the finest summers on record. It was one of the longest spells of warm, dry and sunny weather that most of the country experienced during the 20th century. However, the autumn was followed by a very wet spell of weather with 150% of rainfall in places. So should the same come true again, and I'm not saying it will, I'm not saying this is necessarily a forecast, it's just interesting that this all points to the weather kind of balancing itself out during the autumn. But let's go back to where we are now. This is the forecast for London for the next few days, and look, it's warm again, temperatures holding around above normal, and you can see very little rainfall. And that's really the way things are. This is the chart from this afternoon. So this is the chart at midday today. Few fronts just passing through northern Scotland. Bit of rain towards the north and west, but for most largely dry, fine and very warm. Cooling, refreshing sea breezes on the coasts. For Wednesday, high pressure still in control. This front slips a little bit further south, brings some clouds and spots of rain to Scotland, but for most it's dry, warm and sunny again. And it's dry, warm and sunny on Thursday too. Just got a few showers here affecting northern and western Scotland. But for most, lots of sunshine and dry. Could just be one or two showers across the high ground of Wales and perhaps the Pennines as well. Into Friday, and high pressure still around. One or two showers for the Pennines and parts of the hills of Wales. Could be thundery in places, but generally fine, dry, warm and sunny. An increased northeasterly breeze across the south. And then for Saturday, high pressure towards the north. Got these weak fronts just moving westwards. Now, they may bring a little bit more in the way of cloud across England and Wales during Saturday, but the west of Wales, west England should be fine, dry and sunny. Could just be one or two showers developed though over the high ground, but I think for the vast majority of us, it's dry, fine, warm and sunny again. And then a similar position on Sunday. High pressure still in control, but this brisk east wind in the south could bring some low cloud just down this eastern coast at first, but that will burn away back to the coast, and then most places stay dry with more spells of sunshine. Just the risk of some heavy showers though affecting western parts of Ireland. And you have to look further ahead as well and wonder, well, how long is this going to last? This is the 7 to 10 day mean from the ECMWF on the left here. The GFS is here on the right, and you can see both of them have got these means, look, above where they should be for this part of July. And this is the mean of the 7 to 10 day flow, excuse me, going from next Tuesday to Friday the 26th. What is interesting on both of them though, look, is the trough that they're trying to develop out towards the west. Now, I don't think that's going to go anywhere far particularly very quickly, but that trough is there nonetheless, and that's what we need to watch. Now, the CFS consistently has shown a breakdown into August. This is the week 1 forecast from the CFS, which goes forward to the 22nd of the month. And you see here we've got above normal heights. Look, now, if we just take a look at week 2. Look, still got above normal heights. It's trying to get the high pressure off towards the north here. And just in case you can hear that crying in the background, that's actually the weather wolf, because he wants to get out in the sunshine. But I've shut him in the office here with me just for the time being, because we've got some men doing some work. So, of course, he wants to be outside, doesn't he? In the sunshine. That's what weather wolves do. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, so this is week 2, high pressure up towards the north. We've got low than normal heights down here towards the south, and I think that what that does is it brings in these east to northeast winds to take us to the end of the month. Now, into week 3, this is from the 30th of July to the 5th of August. Look, higher than normal pressure up towards the north, lower than normal down to the south. And what's going on here is these lower than normal heights are building towards the north. Now, hints here of a breakdown getting into the south during this period. This is probably going to be in the form of outbreaks of rain, possibly thundery coming in from the continent, staying drier across the north. But as we look towards week 4... Week 4 from the 6th until the 12th of August, look, we've got a trough. That's a clear trough then that the CFS is trying to get through the country during this time. So our trough is in here, and that would indicate more unsettled conditions, particularly for northern and western areas with showers or perhaps outbreaks of rain. Not cold, because the flow will probably be on a southerly, but it would be more unsettled than we used to. So we're still going to go with this idea of it being fine until the end of July, but then right at the very end of July, probably around the 27th, 28th, perhaps the 29th, becoming unsettled with a low case U, a soft letdown from the fine conditions we've had, and then more unsettled for the early part of August, although again, with a soft letdown into more unsettled conditions. So hopefully that's useful for you. Thanks again for watching weatherweb.net. Just a reminder, we kept free of charge by the adverts that you see around the screen. By you coming back using the site and using the adverts, it's that keeps us free of charge. So thank you for keep doing that. And whatever you're doing, have a great day and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.